When the air turns crisp and the evenings fall earlier, the warmth of the kitchen calls, inviting us to slow down, bake something sweet, and enjoy the comfort of being gathered inside. Today we're making one of my favorite cozy treats, old-fashioned pecan bars. This recipe is so simple and utilizes an old-fashioned type shortbread recipe that uses no eggs. So to make this on the stovetop, we're going to combine 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter, and we're going to brown the butter by gently heating it until it gets a nice nutty aroma and turns into a beautiful caramel color. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar packed, and then we'll take that off of the heat and add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Line a 9x13 baking dish with parchment paper and press that dough into the pan. Now I decided to get a little froggy and I added a little bit of extra seasonings, but that is totally optional. You'll see me do that soon. And we're just going to press that down and then it's going to bake. We're going to put that into a 350-degree preheated oven for about 15 to 18 minutes or until it's lightly set. And then it's time to move on to the gooey filling. And in the same pot, don't be fussy, we're going to add 3/4 cup of butter, or 1.5 sticks. While that is heating up, I chopped up my pecans. You're going to need 2.5 cups of those. And then to the butter, we're going to add 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of cream or milk. I just used whole milk this time, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add everything except for that vanilla and pecans. We're going to save that until it's heated, but we're going to heat stirring constantly for 3 to 4 minutes until it's bubbly, and then remove it from the heat. Add that vanilla, stir in those pecans. By this time, the crust should be pretty much done. We're going to take that out of the oven, pour the filling on top, and that's going to go back into the oven to bake for an additional 20 to 25 minutes or so until it is bubbly and glossy looking on top. I let it cool completely before slicing into bars. And if you like this recipe, I actually do have a full cozy winter prep and bake with me vlog. It is the video before this one that you are more than welcome to check out some behind the scenes life here on the homestead in the making. They look so good. One of these, cup of coffee, delightful treat. As always, for more homesteading, homemaking, homemade, please subscribe.